Hello everyone, welcome to CADD Nest, an ISO 9001-2015 certified institution. And welcome to Teachers Tip. And today's tip for the teachers is regarding the online classes, and this tip will help you out, I guess. So it is time to learn new things again as we are in the pandemic situation and online classes. The teaching and the interaction with the students during the offline teaching was easy because we used to have the interactions one-to-one. But it is not the same in the online classes, and we have to learn and adopt new things to have the interactions in the online classes. And for the day, I have brought you up another tip which will guide you to have a trick and to interact with the student and gain their attention. So let's get into that. By learning this option, you will appreciate yourself. I'll start with that. As I have told, this is a trick that helps you out to engage students in the online classes. It's a kind of game wherein you can try to engage the attention of students. So that I will get into the Google Meet first. So new meeting and start an instant meeting. As I have to schedule it now, I will disable my cameras and microphones. Just I have to show you as how do I interact or how do I schedule a game in the mid of the meeting. So I have scheduled a meeting, and you will share this link to your student, and once they join into your classes, and later on to have a game, what you have to do is just get on the new tab, and here you can use classroom tools. So I have got through this and I have got a very interesting game out of this. As this is a virtual classes, you will not have one-to-one interactions, and also you will not have any other options to play games with the students or to make them interesting. So that you can use through tools. So here get into classroomtools.net. So here you will find the list of games that you can allot to your students. So I'll just go to this, and in this, the one interesting part I have shown is a tool or a game wherein I can go for random name picker. So I'll go for this. So out of this random name picker, I can give a list of students and I can make them play this game, and out of this I can allot a game for them or I can allot a work for them. In this, I can edit the names. The names are already given in the list. You can remove all these lists and you can put on the list of students, those who are attending your meeting. And now I'll not be changing this. I'll go for save the list. If you want to give a password, you can give a password to that. And later on, it will display all the names that you have given in the list. And make sure it has more of the ads in this. So ignore all those ads. So I have the list of students' name in this spin wheel. And now guess what? Have to interact in the Google Meet. Meanwhile, have to look into this spin wheel. So what do you do is get into the meetings, and here this tab, random name picker, I'll open this tab into the minimizations. Simultaneously, I can have the tab on the left hand side relating to the spin wheel, and also another tab relating to my meeting where my students are existing. And next to this, go for presenting the screen and present a tab. So you can present only the tab. So I want to present a random name picker tab. So select this tab and go for share. So what happens is, in your meeting, only the tab relating to spin wheel will be visible, and later you can look into the meeting, and meanwhile you can go for using this tab. So now what you can do is click on this tab so that it spins the wheel and chooses a number out of the students list. So what you can do is you can go for taking that name and allot that student with the assignment or with that of activity or any of the appreciation process, anything that you wish for. So this is a tool that I have found to utilize in your online classes. If this was useful, keep watching the updates of the next upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye.